Good morning, everybody. It's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I just got off work and saw this in the mailbox. Kind of figured out in a way what this is, but I'm gonna unbox it anyway. I have already prepared to open it up, so here we are. Gonna do this one-handed as usual. Whoa! Can already smell it right here. Whoa! As you might see, whole Carolina Reapers, dried Carolina Reapers. I've ordered 2. I will probably just try it once, just to taste what they just to try and see what they taste like. You should probably have them in yeah. We will see what what will happen. I will probably try one probably next week. I don't want to destroy my stomach and my bowels before work, so comment below if you ever tried them. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.